Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica Statin says the real estate and other business services industry saw the largest percentage increase in the number of people employed. 14,000 more persons were employed in the industry as of June compared with the same period in 2022. Director General of Statin, Carol Coy, says most of these new employees were women.
This industry employs 150,800 persons. Females accounted for 63.6% of this increase. The industry with the second largest increase was construction, moving from 126,300 to 135,200. Males accounted for the increase in employment in construction.
The Jamaica Stock Exchange, JSE, says it expects strong partnerships going forward with Guyana as the country looks to expand its capital markets. Chairman of the JSE, Julian Mayer, says there are a number of similarities between Jamaica and Guyana that will make integration less tedious.
We would have upgraded to the NASDAQ system, and with that, all of the analytical work and the rest that are required for any sensible investor to be able to ascertain what he wishes or does not wish to do can be managed. We would hope, of course, that whatever platform ultimately Guyana chooses to operate on, it'll be one that we'll be able to integrate with. And I have no doubt that we will be able to integrate. Very importantly, I think we'll actually be able to integrate our businesses, our actual markets, without having any questions with regard to what's the purpose of the transaction.
Meanwhile, recently appointed head of NCB Capital Markets Angus Young says the build-out of a stronger capital market framework will be critical as the country takes on more international investors.
Developing the domestic capital markets in Guyana will ensure that the Guyanese citizen has the opportunity to participate in the fastest growing economy in the world. The opportunities are across all industries and exponential in nature. Traditional banking plays a very, very important role, but it is not enough.
Now, the Guyana Stock Exchange has 15 listed companies compared to more than 100 on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. To the foreign currency market now, the Jamaican dollar lost 24 cents by the end of trading today. Banks and cambios are selling the greenback for an average $155.61, coming from $155.37 on Friday. The Canadian dollar is going for $121.26. $187.52 is the average cost for the pound, while it's costing $166.18 for the euro. The JSE index gained 137 points today, while the junior market index lost 7 points. The 36 winners were led by JMB Group 7.25% shares, General Accident Insurance, Cargo Handlers, Indies Pharma Jamaica, and Kingston Wharves. The 47 losers included Everything Fresh, Edufocal, JMB Group 7.5% shares, Express Catering, and Caribbean Assurance Brokers. Now, 20 stocks closed the session at the same price they opened trading this morning. And that's the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.